Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we'll see how to create and apply debit memo to our standalone invoices. First, we'll create debit memo. What is the difference between debit memo and credit memo? To reduce supplier outstanding balances, we use both the documents. Credit memo will be issued by supplier and debit memo it will be created by us only. But credit memo is having more significant value than debit memo. Credit memo is a legal document and whereas debit memo it is not a very much legal document. So we'll create a debit memo. We will review and validate the debit memo, and if there are any approvals enabled, we'll approve. We'll generate accounting entries for debit memo. We'll run accounting for debit memo. It is used to reduce the supplier outstanding liability. After processing and payment, the amount will be adjusted against a standard invoice. We'll run reports APTB, AP trial balance, and to check what are all the available debit and credit memos, we'll run payables, credit memos, and debit memos matching report, and the liability will be finally reduced, and the updated vendor balance you can find in Oracle Fusion. So let's see the process. Go to payables, click on payables, click on create invoice. Yeah. Now select your supplier, ERPZEN, Dell supplier. Click on OK. Now give debit memo, and I want to create it for $4,500 and select the type as debit memo and enter the line information minus 4,500. Now select the distribution combination. This you can validate. Yeah, now it is successfully validated. Now we'll post it to Ledger. View accounting. The same entry, liability debit, item expense credit. Now click on done. Now let's see. This is the debit memo. Now go to payments workbench and check how we can do this. Click on payables, click on payments, click on task list or task pane. Now click on create payment. Select your supplier, ERPZEN Dell supplier. Select your disbursement bank account. Select invoices. Now I want to apply this 4,500. Okay, we are not having any such large amount of invoices. Okay, we'll create one standard invoice for 5,000. Click on create invoice. Number 10776. Take $5,000. Select the distribution code combination. And validate the invoice. The invoice is validated. Now say save and close. Go to payments workbench. Create payment. Click on create payment. Select your supplier. Select your bank account. Select payment process profile. Select payment document. Now select invoices. See, now select these two records. Click on apply and OK. You can see this is very important point. When you are paying along with the standard invoice, you have to select the debit memo so that the supplier outstanding payable amount will be reduced. See, we have to pay $5,000, but we are having a debit memo of 4,500 and the net amount payable is $500. Click save and close. The payment is created. Now click on home. This is how we can create a debit memo in Oracle Fusion Accounts Payable module. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share, please like, share and subscribe to our ERP channel for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next time. Thank you. Thank you very much.